It is January 22nd, 2017, and we are here at the bottom of Zuniga Road. This creek bed is normally bone dry, but not now. What do you think, Annalise? Have you ever seen so much water?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
You would have to jump all the way down there to get that.
To get the bottle that's down there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, maybe I'll do that after the rain stops.
Jump all the way down there?
Yeah, I'll be careful. Should we go see the other side of the creek?
But you'll have to be very warm.
Look at this. Never thought I would see this. How about you?